Everyone, how to make horizontal to vertical video in CapCut. So let's start the video. Open up your CapCut application, import a video from your media files, show a little patience while it is uploading. After uploading the video or a clip, now you can edit your video in your CapCut application. Your video is ready. Just simply tap on the video. You can see the screen where the video is playing. You have some major tools in the bottom right corner of that screen. Just simply click on that tool and you can set your frame according to your desire. You can add horizontal frame, you can add vertical frame, or you can change horizontal frame into vertical or vertical frame into horizontal according to yourself. So this is how you can change your horizontal video into a vertical video easily. I hope this video will help you a lot in any way. Thank you so much for showing this much interest in our videos. By following these steps, you can change the ratio of the video by using CapCut. Thank you for watching it.